Hello guys, Brick Armor here with a new gun, and this time around I've built a 1911 or M1911 by COLT, and this one has two slides. This is a more of a traditional slide with standard sights and .45 caliber ACP, which is the standard caliber for the 1911 models. And I've built this tactical slide which has night sights on it, raised sights for suppressor, although this one has a compensator on top, like that. One focus. And this one has lightning cuts right here, some extra slide serrations, and in the back it also features an Ambi safety right here, a slide catch which works, moving trigger, moving beaver tail safety, magazines removable. I used to have a magazine release in it, but I had to tilt the handle or the pistol grip a little more forward, so I had to get rid of the magazine release. I made two magazines for this one. I forgot to mention the tactical barrel is in 9mm or 9mm millimeter, whatever how you pronounce it. And this is the extended mag for the tactical gun, and I'll show you how to change the slides in a bit. It was a pretty hard gun to make since it's all 3 studs wide mostly, and the slide is 3 studs wide as well. It has the serial number on the side, Brick Armory 07, and it has a red dot on top, a Trijicon RMR to be exact. You can also change out the trigger face. This is a flat trigger face, but also made a curved one for the more standard 1911. I'll show you how to Fieldstrip this gun. To Fieldstrip this gun, you take out the magazine. This is a 9mm magazine. You can see it because of the red dot right here, so you don't mix it up with the 45 magazine. That's how they do it in the real steel versions. Then you make sure it's empty. Okay, there's nothing inside. You take out the pin right here, and then you can just lift the slide off. Take the 45 ACP slide, put it on top, and insert the 45 ACP magazine, and the gun is ready for action. Here's the model of the 1911 that I based it off, and it's pretty one-to-one scale, almost exact. As you can see, it's almost the same width. That's where I based it off, and it also has the same takedown feature. You can also change out the trigger face. With this one, it's a straight trigger face for more competitive shooting, but you can just replace it with a curved trigger face, and now it has the more traditional look of a curved trigger face. do want to say thanks to Chris Hartman for the inspiration. He inspired me to build the handle like he did on his Kimber, I think it is. And yeah, it's a great technique, and this is how I did it. And for the Ambi safety, I just used a bar piece inside with a stud, with a connector with a stud on the side, and that allowed me to make the beaver tail moving, because it just has that extra little space for it to move. And it's all connected. The trigger and the beaver tail are both connected with the same rubber band right there.